The EU have ambitious targets to reduce their carbon emissions by over 50% by 2030 and try and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. The introduction of digital product passports will enable consumers for the first time to make real informed buying decisions. They will also unlock circularity potential, enabling resell, rental, and other events post-purchase. Digital product passports are fundamental to achieving this, and this is how we're doing it at Nobody's Child. We're working with my technology business Fabacus. With the extension of the team, we're able to aggregate, validate, and structure the data to create a Nobody's Child compliant catalog, a single structured repository of everything that's needed for the brand to have a holistic view of the activity in their supply chain, but more importantly, trusted to be published to a digital product passport into the public domain. We're working with our partners at RFID Threads to have the world's first washable RFID tag on our garments to physically verify some of those data points that are claimed within the passport. Give the business real-time and holistic view of how those products are going through the supply chain. Naturally, we're complementing that with a QR code to enable the consumer to engage directly with that product. With RFID, we can track and trace items through the supply chain, from factories into warehouses, across trucks and logistics, into shops, and verify each stage of the supply chain by RFID events. It makes life easier in store too, with multiple items scanning faster checkouts and near perfect stock visibility. This accuracy means it's easier to find items while reducing shrinkage and improving demand forecasting to cut waste and out of stocks. And when using QR codes, consumers are able to check the passport information to look at sourcing, environmental impact, and evaluate the sustainability credentials when shopping. The solution enables true customer engagement, enabling consumers to register and directly engage at product level. This allows the brand to create an elevated and curated personalized experience, driving both loyalty and customer engagement. When the consumers engage with the QR code, it also gives them an opportunity to create a certificate of authentication. In this instance, we partner with Coinbase to tokenize the digital product passports. This allows for a deeper integration across our process over time, so customers could potentially even return items with no receipt. When they're ready to retire their garments, it's much easier to make a sustainable decision, viewing their phone to seek an array of options from local recyclers, charity shops, and approved resellers. In this instance, they bring the item back to store and we arrange their recycling. We love this solution from Zebra, Fabacus, and RFID Threads. It's making a very complex challenge a lot more simplified. It's driving benefits to all of the stakeholders, incredible consumer engagement, and absolutely underpinning our circularity and sustainability initiatives here at Nobody's Child. It's a real win-win story.